Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today WAT just filed an 8K report and I am seeing one key leadership change that investors should know about. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. We are seeing a significant departure in the executive ranks that could signal shifts in strategy for this major player in the diagnostics and research space. Alright, let's dive into what is happening at Waters Corporation, ticker symbol WAT. This is a company most people wouldn't know by name, but relies on their tools for critical scientific work. They are filing what is called a Form 8K, which is basically a heads up about major events that shareholders need to know about right away. The big news here revolves around a leadership change. On the 17th of August 2026, Robert L. Carpio III, who is the Senior Vice President of the Waters Analytical Sciences Division, decided to step down. He is leaving to pursue other opportunities, and he officially wrapped up his duties related to that role on the 20th of August 2026. But it is not all about people leaving. The company is quickly filling that gap. Tina Wu, who was already a key executive as the Senior Vice President of the Waters Materials Sciences Division and President of China, is stepping into the role that Mr. Carpio vacated. This is a significant move because it means someone with experience in a major global market like China is now leading a core scientific division. The filing gives us some background on Miss Wu, and it sounds impressive. She brings over 20 years of experience leading businesses that focus on selling to other businesses, covering areas like research, sales, and making things. Before joining Waters in June of 2026, she had a long career at DuPont, another major company there. She held several important leadership positions, running businesses that generated between $1 billion and $2.3 billion in sales each year. Most recently, she was the Global Vice President and President of DuPont's Mobility and Materials Division since 2021. This kind of experience, especially leading large profit centers, is exactly what you want to see when someone is taking over a critical division. Now, while this filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables in the way a quarterly report would, these leadership changes are incredibly important. Waters Corporation is a significant company in the healthcare and diagnostics sector, with a market cap around $40 billion. Their stock has been trading in the low $400s recently, and they have a substantial number of employees, around 16,000 globally. Institutional investors like BlackRock and Vanguard hold large stakes, showing confidence in the company's overall direction. The company's common stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol WAT. This ensures that their shares are readily available for trading and that they adhere to the strict reporting requirements of major exchanges. The core of this filing is about management transitions. When a senior executive leaves, especially from a division as critical as analytical sciences, it is natural to wonder what is next. However, the swift appointment of Tina Wu, who has a proven track record in leading substantial business units and a deep understanding of global operations, suggests a commitment to continuity and leveraging existing expertise. Her experience at DuPont, managing large revenue streams, is particularly noteworthy. This suggests Waters is prioritizing proven leadership to guide its Analytical Sciences Division. This move could be seen as a strategic step to strengthen leadership in a key area. The Analytical Sciences Division is likely crucial for developing and supporting the instruments and software that scientists use for research and quality control. Having someone with Miss Wu's background in scaling businesses and driving R&D could mean an increased focus on innovation and market expansion for this segment. It is important to remember that Waters stock has seen some volatility, including a significant drop earlier this year in February, apparently related to the integration of an acquired business. This leadership change comes at a time when the company is likely focused on executing its integration plans and driving growth. Looking at the bigger picture, Waters Corporation is a well-established company in a vital sector. The shift in leadership within the Analytical Sciences Division with the promotion of Tina Wu appears to be a move to bring in seasoned management to drive performance. Her extensive experience in leading large revenue-generating businesses within the B2B space, particularly in research and development, commercial operations, and manufacturing, signals a potentially strong hand at the helm for this division. While this filing doesn't provide immediate financial figures, such as revenue or profit changes, these management appointments are often precursors to shifts in strategy or increased focus on specific growth areas. The risk I am watching is how this new leadership will integrate with the existing team and whether her experience in managing large PSILs will translate into measurable growth for the Analytical Sciences Division. What I'm actually looking for is how this change impacts the company's future product development pipeline and market share in the coming quarters. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. Like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord.